Have you ever seen a luxury marathon coach number 1396? This Class A bus is truly a palace on wheels. Its sleek design features elegant, flowing lines, while tinted windows offer breathtaking views while ensuring privacy. With a reinforced suspension, even the roughest country roads feel like a smooth, effortless ride. Step inside, and you'll find a five-star hotel on wheels. The spacious living area boasts a plush leather sofa, armchairs, and a dining table, perfect for family meals under ambient LED lighting. The fully equipped kitchen includes high-end appliances, a sink, and sleek cabinets with ample storage for long journeys. The sleeping quarters are just as luxurious, featuring cozy bunk beds for guests and a master suite designed for ultimate comfort and relaxation. This ultra-luxurious motorhome comes with a hefty price tag of $3,242,000, a true king's retreat on wheels. The SDX4 pop-out motorhome, built on a Mercedes Actros chassis with a V8 engine, is a masterpiece of design and comfort. Measuring 12 meters long and 2.5 meters wide, it offers an incredibly spacious living area. Guests are welcomed by luxurious leather sofas, folding yacht-style tables, and a 43-inch smart TV. Comfort is top-notch with an LG air conditioner, heated floors, and a Kubota KB40 diesel heating system. The interior is thoughtfully divided into zones using electric curtains and roll-up partitions for privacy. The kitchen is a dream, featuring two Whirlpool induction cooktops, a microwave combi with grill, a 220L fridge, and a double waste bin. For food lovers, there's an option to add a 15-bottle wine cabinet and a dishwasher. This luxury motorhome is built for adventure. Where would you take the SDX4 pop-out on your next journey? Here's a trailer you'd be proud to call home. Its impressive size, 9 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 3.8 meters high, instantly commands attention. Designed for ultimate comfort, the central living area is highly adaptable. The sofa transforms into a spacious bed for guests, while the dining table doubles as a cozy coffee nook. The kitchen is fully equipped with a 368L fridge, stovetop, and dishwasher, ensuring a seamless cooking experience. With a 379L fresh water tank, you can enjoy days of off-grid living worry-free. The eco configuration includes solar panels and lithium batteries, allowing for 3 to 7 days of self-sufficient travel. The exterior is just as remarkable. A sleek aluminum body gives it a modern, stylish look, while the folding patio deck, capable of supporting 680 kilograms, is perfect for relaxing in a rocking chair, taking in the views. The makers of the Morello Palace Liner S-Way believe they've perfected the premium motorhome experience. Built on the Iveco S-Way platform, this luxurious vehicle combines power, comfort, and innovation, making it a dream for true travel enthusiasts. Its performance is outstanding, featuring an 8.7 L6-cylinder turbo diesel engine that delivers 340 horsepower, with an option to upgrade to 400 horsepower. The torque reaches 1,220 Newton-meters or 1,700 Newton-meters, depending on the configuration. Weighing 18 tons, it stands among the heaviest in its class. Inside, travelers are greeted with a spacious living area, complete with a comfortable sofa and lounge bench. The main bedroom features 2 cozy beds, while the fully equipped kitchen includes a gas stove, extractor hood, oven, and refrigerator. The price for this luxury motorhome ranges from $460,000 to $500,000, offering the ultimate blend of style and functionality for high-end travelers. Meet the Conquistador, a massive off-road motorhome built for those who crave endless adventures. Designed on the Mercedes-Benz Arocs 8x8 platform, it delivers unmatched power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Weighing 23 tons, this heavyweight beast is powered by a 578 horsepower engine, effortlessly handling any load. Its four-wheel drive system, with individual axle and wheel locking, makes it virtually unstoppable on rough terrain. Inside, it comfortably accommodates 4 people. The private bedroom includes a bed, wardrobe, and bedside tables, while the spacious living area features a U-shaped sofa for 6, which converts into a huge bed. For outdoor relaxation, there's a retractable terrace complete with an outdoor kitchen, sofa, and tea table. Additional features include an 8-camera surveillance system, satellite TV, a winch, a washing machine, and an intercom system connecting the driver's cab to the living area, just like a presidential suite on wheels. Your journey becomes an unforgettable experience with the Becker Mercedes-Benz Sprinter Jet Van. This luxury vehicle transforms every trip into pure comfort and convenience. Inside, soft leather seats with heating and ventilation provide a first-class experience, feeling like individual mini thrones. Stay connected with high-speed internet, touch control panels, and multiple televisions, creating the perfect mobile office. A noise-canceling system ensures a quiet, peaceful ride, ideal for relaxing or making important calls. The soft LED lighting adds to the premium ambience. Safety is a top priority. Modern stability and motion monitoring systems protect passengers, while powerful brakes handle unexpected situations with ease. Once you've experienced the Jet Van's luxury, you'll never want to take a city bus again. Get ready, because the Rioja Luxury Motorhome, the big brother of Optimus Prime, is hitting the road. At first glance, it may look like a simple container, but once it unfolds, it transforms into a 2-story mobile home, offering comfort and style that rival any city apartment. Its sleek, glossy exterior is built to withstand all weather conditions, making it both durable and stylish. Step inside, and you'll enter a spacious living room featuring a cozy sofa, coffee table, and large TV, perfect for relaxation. Modern lighting fixtures enhance its minimalist design, creating a clean, inviting atmosphere. The sleeping areas include a wide bed for the owner and bunk beds for guests, each equipped with convenient outlets and storage shelves. The kitchen is a dream for any host, featuring top-tier appliances, a kitchen island, and bar stools for casual seating. With solar panels and a generator, power is never an issue, while an advanced climate control system ensures comfort in any weather. The Rioja Luxury Motorhome truly has it all. Next up is a masterclass in minimalism. The compact high-end luxe home, designed by the experts at Fritz Tiny Homes and nominated for the Most Innovative Design Award. Behind its sleek, modern exterior lies a highly versatile space, making the most of every inch. The staircase doubles as pull-out storage drawers. A slim spice shelf sits beside the stove, and large items can be tucked away under the couch. Even the bathroom is cleverly designed with hidden storage to maximize functionality. But the high-end luxe isn't just about practicality. It's built for effortless living. The maintenance-free exterior features foam-insulated walls and fiberglass windows, ensuring durability. A heated floor system keeps things cozy, while 2 ERV ventilation units maintain fresh air circulation year-round. Whether it's winter or summer, the interior stays perfectly comfortable. What more could you ask for in a tiny home built for big living? The Element Palazzo Superior is truly a palace on wheels, blending cutting-edge design with unmatched luxury. Its modern cabin, inspired by aircraft interiors, is crafted from carbon fiber, while the central control panel resembles something straight out of a private jet. A massive panoramic window can be darkened at the touch of a button, adding to its high-tech appeal. Inside, every detail exudes elegance. A 4-meter sofa sits next to a bar, wine cabinet, and coffee maker, creating the perfect space for relaxation. The bed linens, handcrafted by Italian artisans, ensure the highest level of comfort. For ultimate indulgence, there's even a spa area. On the roof terrace, you'll find heated flooring and breathtaking views. With an 800L water tank and powerful generators, you'll never have to rely on external power. Under the hood, a Volvo 6-cylinder engine delivers up to 600 horsepower, making this mobile home as powerful as it is luxurious. Check out this incredible feat of engineering. The Land and Sea RV, a hybrid mobile home that seamlessly combines the best features of a trailer and a boat. On the water, it's powered by two 115-horsepower Suzuki engines, ensuring smooth sailing, while its tough welded aluminum hull makes it both lightweight and durable. On land, it's designed to be easily towed by a vehicle, making it perfect for road trips and off-grid adventures. Equipped with solar panels and a built-in generator, it offers energy independence wherever you go. Inside, this all-in-one adventure vehicle has everything you need: comfortable sleeping areas, a functional kitchen, and plenty of space for relaxation. Whether cruising on water or exploring off-road, the Land and Sea RV redefines freedom and adventure, breaking down the barriers between land and water.